two ways to look at this for me would be potential WOMs, right? It is a opening sub VWAP. It is somewhat near a key level, right? When we're opening up near a key level of support resistance, and there's room to VWAP and there's room to pre-market highs and high day, then it's much more likely that I will be, if I would like to, take a position earlier in the morning, right? And maybe expect it to spike out the gate even. That's the whole point of WOMs, of week open, morning spike, is that it's already gone to 350. It's already sold off $1. It's a large percentage chunk, right? And now you've got short sub VWAP. You've got shorts and threes using 3 and 290 and 280 and 270 and 260 now. Now they want the breakdown to the ones, right? Just like everything, shorts with edge, shorts without edge too. So you could make a case for that on this. Are you guys starting to see some of my newer wolves? Are you starting to see how the planning is starting to work out? How the plans work? You plan first, you find the areas that you like to trade, and you trade those fucking areas, and you don't do other things. And if you can fucking do that and get good RR, and then cut at 1 fucking R or less every time, unless you're betting 3R to make 15 or 20R, you will be profitable. If you can trade from these areas, not random areas, but good areas that you control, then you watch the price action in those areas. That's where you watch and trade. And then when it goes away from those areas, you're supposed to be either cutting or taking profit. It's so fucking basic. Then you go about your fucking day, right? And you can do this exercise, right? I have setups that for the first 15 minutes, I have setups for the first hour of the day, right? I like understand what time frames you're looking at, and that's when you want to sit down and trade. Is it fruitful then? Are WOMs fruitful? Well, I should be ready to trade right out the gate this week. Have they been working really well? I should be fucking on it first thing in the morning, okay? Are we in a gap and crap reversal where all we see run at all, or the main reversals are all happening midday? I need to dis and fucking gauge in the morning. Or I need to pop a single and run and come back midday when lunchtime's approaching and shorts are going to cover their positions. Okay? Does shit happen in between those times? Yes. Is that more random for me? Always has been. All the patterns, once they've ran in the morning, are pulled, and now they're getting back to other levels that they went to in the morning, and they're doing all those things, introduces different levels of stuff, right? Psychologically. And the setups are not the same. I hope that makes sense to you guys. So for those of you who are sitting around all day, like just waiting for things to set, no. Find where you want them to set up. You can set alerts. Don't look at it till it gets there. You control your trading, guys. At the end of the day, you control it. Don't let the markets just fucking guide you around. That's what happens to everyone all week. 2 minutes till market open. My plan is to watch as if it's a Monday morning and let the markets then tell me what to do this afternoon, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And then if it allows, hit with size this week. Big guns and small guns. Above all else this week, don't lose more than you intend to lose on a trade. That's a win. You can win 100% of your trades by losing less than 1R per trade this week if that's your goal. That's your only goal. If you can do that, and you can do that every week, you can be a profitable trader. The upside will take care of itself, I promise you, from the right levels with the right ideas. Just take care of the downside. I love you guys. Stay safe.